Feels weird. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This feels so weird because since I've moved house, it's like the first sit down video I'm doing. It feels so good though. It feels so good to be sitting down in my new house. If you haven't already, I would go and watch my moving vlogs. Just found somewhere to film. I'm filming here just for the time being. Current home office is being set up, so once that's set up, we will be filming upstairs in a lovely new background and I can't flipping wait. But for now, we just have to make do with sitting on the floor in my new living room. Today's video is actually going to be a Home Bargains and ASDA autumn / Christmas haul. We are getting into the best videos ever, literally ever. I did actually find some really nice bits. I am going to be doing a lot of these because there's a lot of things I need to be getting now I've moved house, so be prepared for a lot. I don't know what that was. A lot of homey type videos. I hope you like that. I'm going to be doing lots of autumny and Christmas food videos as well, don't you worry. Grab your cup of teas. Guys, look at my mug. It is this gorgeous Halloween mug from Disney World. Actually, I got this in Disney World Orlando. It might be available on the Disney website. So if you are new guys, my name is Sophie. I make 3 videos on this channel every single week on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, all about living your best life on a budget. So I would subscribe if I was you so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I post a lot of what you'll see today. I will be posting on Instagram and you can see like exactly what it looks like. Give the video a thumbs up if you are excited for this video and also for autumn and Christmas. And let's do it. Okay guys, so I'm probably going to start with Home Bargains first. Home Bargains came through. They actually had a lot more. Am I okay? I hope so. I actually had a lot more things than I actually bought today. Obviously, I didn't buy one of everything, but they did have a lot of autumny Christmas things in. I want to start with something really good, but maybe I should save it. I'm gonna start with it. We have, dun dun dun, one of my first advent calendars of the year. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. This is the Airwick Christmas Candle Advent Calendar. If you have watched my recent videos, you know I've only just discovered Airwick candles. I was always kind of like, Airwick candles? That doesn't go. Fast forward to the time I went to Poundland a few months ago and I found a Christmas Airwick candle and it smelt incredible. So I found the advent calendar and I got it and I'm really excited. This was actually £3.99, which isn't bad at all from Home Bargains. It's a 24-day advent calendar and it has 24 tea lights in, which if you carry on watching the video, something I got from ASDA, is going to be very handy. So the scents you get in this advent calendar is the mulled wine, the winter wonderland and the winter berry scent. The mulled wine one is incredible. It's actually the very first candle I lit the moment I got the keys to my new house. Might just be me. You'll have to let me know if you guys are the same as me. But when I move house or a big change of scenery happens, I get high anxiety. And my anxiety is so bad, but when I like put Christmas scents in a room, I feel instantly better. It makes me feel really good. I will save this until December. I do kind of want to open it now, but I'm going to save it. Very exciting, the first advent calendar of the year so far. Okay, another Christmassy item. Yeah, I'm already doing the Christmas things, aren't I? I should be just sticking to autumn at this stage. I couldn't resist this. This is a gorgeous Christmas decoration that I found in Home Bargains. I am so impressed with this. A couple of years ago I did actually buy like one of these for my house, and I'm not going to lie, the one I purchased a couple of years ago was from a garden centre and it was quite expensive, but it's kind of like the only thing I have that's wooden and I really like the wooden natural theme at Christmas. So I bought this to go next to it because it could look like the start of a mini village. That is exciting. This is a light up wooden snow house. It kind of looks like a really old fashioned church. Even if you're not religious, I really feel like churches just look really sweet and nice at Christmas time. It's so nice. It has like holly and berries on top of the house and it's got fake snow just like my one from the garden centre, and then it's got fairy lights inside. Just imagine putting this up in your house and having all the lights off and just having these little fairy lights in. So cozy. I cannot wait. Honestly, I can't wait. This is what it looks like in full, so it's going to look really nice. I just really liked it. It was actually only £9.99, so really affordable, and it's going to look so beautiful up in my house. Make sure you are subscribed so you get to see this in my Christmas house tour, which I can't already wait to film. Okay, as I've now moved house, obviously I needed to stock up on cleaning products because I did use a lot of my old cleaning products to clean my previous house. I went down the cleaning aisle. They didn't actually have too much in, which is a bit of a shame. They did have these two Sephoras though, so I bought these two because I do love a bit of a Sephora in the kitchen. They didn't have the Christmas scents or the autumnal scents. I don't know if they're coming or they're not coming, who knows. So I purchased the Linen Fresh Sephora, which is in the big bottle. This was $3.99, and I also purchased the medium-sized bottle, which is the mandarin and lime flavour, and I thought this could be a little bit Christmassy because oranges and clementines and tangerines are very much an autumn winter type fruit. Did anyone else used to get a satsuma or a tangerine in their stocking? Because I did, and it was like my favourite thing. This one was $2.99, and yeah, I do love a bit of Sephora. If you want me to do like an autumny Christmas type clean with me, then do let me know, because I like filming cleaning videos and I can do a few of those over the next few months. I also purchased, and I think honestly the best thing you can do around Halloween if you get trick-or-treaters at your door is to go to places like Poundland and Home Bargains, because the sweets are really expensive and they can really add up. So I purchased this bag of Gooey eyeballs, which is gross because I do have a fear of eyeballs, I'm not joking. But I thought they'd be quite cool because you want something a bit cool, a bit scary, not just your average chocolate bar. You need an eyeball or two in your little trick-or-treat bucket. And I'm going to include them in my sweets when I'm giving them out for the children who do trick-or-treating. These were only £1. There are 40 of them. That's cool, there's 40 of them. If you are an OG on this channel, you will know my favourite bubble bath is Radox. I don't know why. I could have like the most expensive bubble bath on earth, but nothing makes me feel quite as nostalgic and happy as a Radox bath. So I purchased one of those jumbo sizes of Radox. This is the Soothe Yourself to Sleep Aromatherapy Radox. It smells the best. It literally smells the best, makes the best bubbles. They're only £1 at the moment, the jumbo ones in Home Bargains. I don't know if that's like a recurring offer, but that is a lot cheaper. The normal ones are normally £1. You guys know I can't ever go into one of these shops without treating my little fur babies, my cats. They had so many Christmas themed pet things in Home Bargains you would not believe, especially for dogs. I mean, they always favour dogs, don't they? But they had so much, and I highly recommend checking them out. But I purchased these Weebox. They're kind of like pepperoni sticks for cats, and these are tasty Christmas turkey sticks. One of my cats absolutely loves these sticks. I always get them for him, especially when I go into Poundland. I know he will like these, a little Christmas treat. And also from Home Bargains, I purchased some Oral-B 3D whites. This stuff is so expensive in places like Boots, which is why I always wait till I've headed down to a Home Bargains, a B&M, a Poundland, just to get it a bit cheaper. And this is like the only toothpaste I like using. I honestly love this one. This is the Arctic Fresh flavour. Okay, let's move on to ASDA Home. Now ASDA Home actually had so much in that I want, and I might do a massive order online soon. I only got a few bits, but the stuff I got is so nice. So first thing I got is a Glade candle. Now this is the Glade Spiced Apple Kiss candle. It smells so good. To think I've been spending so much money on expensive candles when these things smell just as nice. Again, Glade was like one of those brands I was a bit dubious about, but I smelled it and it smells so nice. It smells so Christmassy. I highly recommend checking this one out. It's like a medium-sized candle. It's one wick and it's quite thick, but it was only £2.50, which is really, really affordable considering it's such a nice smelling candle. Okay, I also purchased, and I'm so excited about this gorgeous tea light oil burner. Basically it's a Fox tea light oil burner, and it's so autumnal. I love foxes. I think foxes and like kind of woodland creatures are just so nice, especially around autumn and Christmas. And this one will be absolutely perfect to put my little Christmassy candles in from my advent calendar that I got from Home Bargains, and to put them in here so it not only smells like Christmas when they're burning, but then I'll also put some lovely like cinnamony or ginger and cinnamon oils and wax melts. I think it is so nice. They had a few versions of these. They did actually have Christmassy ones like penguins as well, so I think I might go back and get another like penguin thing, but for now I got this because it's autumn now and I wanted to have this up on my windowsill in my house. If you want to see like an autumn house update, let me know. Burner, this was £5. They were all £5. I also, and I really feel like this is my favourite purchase so far of autumn, like it really is. I purchased this gorgeous mustard throw. It's a pom-pom, look at this, pom-pom mustard throw. I'm just so happy about this. This I'm going to keep in the bedroom, and the reason being is because I'm going to get some really nice, like really autumnal but very neutral and white bedding, and I want like pops of colours of like mustards. I love colour, I'm really into colour, and I really wanted like pops of mustard throughout the house, especially over these 2 seasons. It's so soft, it's such a gorgeous throw. I think it's the waffle theme, and it's just really nice. The pom-poms are that ridiculously soft like PJ material you get. What I also loved about this, it's eco-friendly, so everything this is made out of is recycled. None of this has been single used, it's all been used again to make these throws, so I definitely recommend checking those out in ASDA. It's £20, so you definitely can get cheaper throws elsewhere, but first of all, I love it. I haven't seen nice throws with pom-poms yet so far this season, and also I haven't seen throws where they're so like eco-friendly, ethical, good for the planet. So yeah, I bought this and I'm really excited. You'll probably see it on my Instagram when I put it up, because I will be putting up a nice picture of the bedroom when it's like a bit more done. Also, this is so random. It's just so random of me. I purchased an anti-snoring pillow, and this is actually a present to Lawrence. He doesn't actually know he's got this present yet, so I'm gonna give it to him tonight. But apparently it's an anti-snore pillow, so it like props your head in a way that stops you snoring, and it's quite a firm pillow, and he likes firm pillows. So I'm going to give this to him tonight, because we actually only have 3 pillows on our bed, and I don't know why. We must have missed one along the way, along the move, and it was £9, which I'm not sure on the scale of pillows how good that is. But if you want to know like what this is like, let us know in the comments down below. Or message me on Instagram and I will let you know. And also from ASDA, I purchased one of these baking packs. This is the Gooey salted caramel brownie baking pack from Crocker. I've never actually tried the Gooey salted caramel chocolate brownie one. I have made her brownies before, and I've also made other things like the cookies, and they're always good. So I thought I'd buy this on like a cozy autumnal Saturday afternoon. I could make some brownies myself and Lawrence and whoever's over at the time. All you need with these is an egg, some oil, water, and a baking tin. So they're really easy, and they always come out really good. So I purchased this. It was on offer. A lot of these things are on offer in ASDA at the moment, so I would head down and check them out. Honestly, I become so obsessed with these shops around this time of year. I'm trying not to buy too much. I'm trying to be like less wasteful, and the things I buy I want to keep like forever and ever and ever. But then I go into the shop and I see an advent calendar full of Christmas candles, and I just can't resist. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below what your favourite item was, and if you've got anything that I kind of showed you today. If you also want to know what things are like, whether they're good quality or they last long or what they look like, then let me know, and I will put something on Instagram for you, because we all got to stick together in this living your best life on a budget thing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up before you leave, because it really helps my channel out, and if you're not already, subscribe. I love you guys very much, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye!